I have egg in there and I have shrimp. And you're gonna hear noise in the background because they're watching movies, and I have bottled water. And and my little cousin, my little nephew's here, and he's doing a little bit of crying, so. But I'm downstairs now, so I'm gonna say a prayer first, and I'm gonna dig in. Amen and amen again. All right, let me show you what it's looking like. Hold on, maybe I could do a. Little quick thumbnail. See, I have the egg. I was gonna turn this to an ASMR, but I'm gonna do mostly eating and less talking, since I can't do my ASMR since there's so much noise in the background. But I wanted to get a video. Shrimp. There goes the egg. It done fell apart, but it's still there. That's the egg. I'll give you guys a first bite. All right, let me do this. Nice and hot. Mm. 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 And they're watching like mystery stuff up there, which I had to get my video in. So I walked out on it. Mm. Mm. Like haunted mystery stuff. Like some girl, she went to a prison to visit her and her friend. And out of nowhere, she brought something home with her. She saw something there at the place and she took off running. Her friend had somehow got ahead of her and left her. And she didn't know what was going on. So when she took off running, she didn't know she was taking that home with her. She didn't know she was taking that thing right along with her. The reason she started noticing stuff, because her dog started noticing it. Started acting really weird. They're scared to come in her room, because whatever it was, they followed her right in her room, her husband's room. And she said her husband didn't believe in that type of stuff. Until he started seeing the bad things that were happening. She was having really bad nightmares about her dog. Something happened to her dog. All kind of stuff was going on. But in the long run, she ended up having to move. It got that bad. Got that bad. They were scared to poop out of me. That's why I don't like doing stuff like that. I got family members that love doing stuff like that. Not I, sip cat. I'll catch y'all when y'all come back. And whatever you say, leave it there. Because I don't want no parts. None whatsoever. No parts of that. Y'all want one of these shrimp? Yeah, y'all shrimp. There you go. That was so good, y'all. Just loving it. Loving it. Ooh. That's all my little noodles. I've never been the smacking type of person that just smack my food. But some gum? I used to pop the heck out of gum. So people be like, and I really don't realize that I'm doing it until the person that's around me be like, can you please stop popping that gum? It's annoying. Oh, really? Okay. That was just something that I always did, and it's not like I was doing it on purpose, because I didn't even realize I was doing it until somebody would say something to me. Yep. And it don't matter where I'm at. It could be around whomever. Once I get to chewing, that was all she wrote. Whew. I told y'all I wasn't doing much talking, y'all. Oh. I know, wipe my mouth. I stay on that. Trust me. I stay on that. Because people that be doing YouTube videos and they be eating and they have their stuff dripping all up and down here. I be seeing y'all. Yo, I hear y'all too. I be like, she need to wipe her mouth. He need to wipe his mouth. It ain't that serious. You ain't got no manners. But the thing is, some people love that. They love the messy eating, all that extra stuff going on in between. That's why they do it. And you think that's bothering them when y'all tell them, say that stuff? They don't care. Because they're going to get paid regardless. for your negative or your positive comments. Likes, dislikes. They don't care. You know? I'm so glad everybody decided to watch a movie up there. Because not, they've been out here messing with me. And I don't have time for it. Because I'm trying to get this little quick video in. And these noodles are so filling. So filling. I ain't do a real seafood boil in a while. But guess what? I'm about to do one soon. I'm about to do one real soon. What's wrong?
Turn off the TV.
I'll turn them off.
You don't know how to turn it off.
He told me to do it last night.
You don't know how to turn this one off.
Oh. My memory is getting full. I gotta delete some of these. Oh, excuse me. Yo, that was my husband walked in here, down here. He's supposed to be upstairs watching a movie. Get rid of these. Ooh. Have a little bit of water. Y'all, my memory is like really low on my phone because that's what I'm recording on now. So I'm going to end this video soon. Eat my shrimp in here. Ooh. Ooh. I won't be able to eat for a while. A long while I won't be able to eat this meal. One more bite. Alright, y'all. I told you I'm reaching my max with my videos right now. I gotta go delete some of this stuff. So, I'm actually going to end this video. Right now. because I got some other things to do. I'm gonna upload a couple videos probably today. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you will know when, excuse me, I upload my next videos.